In this week's edition of the Business Review, we'll look at one of the pioneers of the local dairy and cheese manufacturing industry. Here's Aisha Nation.
Products of Dairy Industries Jamaica Limited is no stranger to the taste buds of Jamaicans and many on the international scene. The dairy giant has been a mainstay in the Jamaican food industry for over 50 years. Radcliffe Walker is General Manager for Dairy Industries Jamaica.
Dairy Industries is a joint venture started in 1964. Its ownership at that time was actually a set of distributors in Jamaica who partnered with Frontier Group out of New Zealand. In 1968, we started producing canned cheese locally, and that canned cheese, which you know, Tastee cheese, has become the flagship product for us, and it's also known as the Jamaican cheese.
And it's not just cheese.
We have yogurt. This is really great yogurt. We have now introduced as well our cream cheese. We have sour cream, and last year we actually launched a kiddies smoothie drinkable yogurt, which is very popular. The kids love it a lot. We also do packaging of milk powder, and in fact we do co-pack for some distributors as well.
And although the company was hard hit by the COVID-19 pandemic and increased commodity prices, it has still been able to rake in profits.
2022 over 2021, we grew by about 7% on our revenue. In terms of profits, our growth was 10%. For this year, we're looking for something similar, in terms of growth year on year for us. On exports, one of our focus is to actually double our exports in the next 5 years. So now we're exporting about 25% of our products, and we're trying to double that in the next 5 years.
Plans are also in train for Dairy Industries Jamaica to diversify its portfolio while expanding its product offerings and market reach.
We're actually FSSC 22000 certified, which helps us with getting into new markets. We do export to the US, Canada, and Caribbean countries. And we are now looking at other markets as well, which could include, say, South America, the Dominican Republic. So these quality standards are very important for us to get us into those markets.
As one of the country's largest producers of milk-based products, the company has developed a reputation for providing signature products and ingredients for companies and consumers.
We partner with our bakeries, and we provide for them cheese spread for their products. A lot of those products are, again, staple products for Jamaica, and you'll find our cheese in those products.
Mr. Walker also says that Dairy Industries Jamaica is also looking to increase its usage of renewable energy from about 10% to 60% by 2024. From 1964 to date, the company employs 120 people. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.